Hey, class of 2025, we're getting close to the SBAC on April 23rd and 25th for ELA. So let's learn one of the most important skills you can have, which is the short constructed response. Fun fact, human beings score your response. So before you read, you want to make sure you know what's going on. What am I looking for? What do I have to do? Focus on your purpose once you know it during the reading, and then after, answer the questions. BDA. So you already answered a question if you did quiz number 5, lesson number 5 about this reading. So you're going to know something about the what I want to say is whenever you have to write about a reading, you're going to answer some multiple choice questions about it first. So you should be familiar with it, right? And short constructed response pretty much always comes after multiple choice questions. The question here is the same one we talked about last time. What inference can be made? And they're asking about a relationship between this guy, Ermisted, and the headmaster, John Chancellor. And you got to support your answer with details from the text, of course. Right? Now, I wrote 4 or 5 sentences here, but you know what? I'm thinking go for 8 sentences. The more you write, the more likely you are to hit on the right answer, honestly. Okay. They do use, I'm giving you another tip here, number 7, they use a rubric when they score your writing. So you can either earn a 2, a 1, or a 0. So let's look at what a 0 is. No evidence, no examples, no explanation. Any of those 3 means you got a 0, right? No evidence, no examples, no explanation. It's like no shirt, no shoes, no service. 0. You want a 1, give limited evidence of your ability to make an inference or draw a conclusion. Remember, inference and making a conclusion are sort of the same thing. Vague or limited examples to the text. Vague or limited explanation. So obviously, if you want a 2, you have to have sufficient, enough of an inference or a conclusion, evidence from the text, and explain your thinking, right? But even if you write your inference and conclusion, you'll get a 0 if you don't include examples. So watch out. So during it, remember, you can use your notepad to make notes. And the question is, how has the relationship changed? Well, what conclusions can you draw about the relationship now that one is coming back to the school, all this stuff? So think about that hard. And remember back to the rubric, clear inference, specific examples, and explain it enough. So now it's time for the after. Oh, sorry, that's wrong. You're going to number 6, SBA number 6. And you're going to answer questions on a quiz. There's only one quiz. Just ignore this page. Sorry. Thanks so much, everybody. Best of luck. You're going to have to copy and paste your answer from one document to another, but I'm confident you can do it. See ya.